Welcome channel. If you're interested in the latest real estate and home listings, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find the content helpful. It really helps us create more content like this. Transition to the topic. Today we'll be giving you an exclusive look at a beautiful home for sale in the Estates community at Prosperity Lakes, located in Parrish, Florida. This home starts at $330,900 and offers 1,555 square feet of living space. It features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, designed to maximize comfort and ease of living. The open concept layout includes a family room, dining room, and a modern kitchen with a central island, allowing for a seamless flow between activities. The home also comes with an attached patio for outdoor relaxation and a 2-car garage. Located within the Prosperity Lakes, the Estates community, residents can enjoy fantastic amenities such as a clubhouse, a resort-style pool, fitness center, and walking trails. This property is perfectly situated near Little Manatee River and is less than 7 miles from the I-75 and I-275 highways, giving you easy access to Tampa Bay, Bradenton, Sarasota, and St. Petersburg. If you're interested in scheduling a tour, the sales office is located at 13,627 Sunset Sapphire Court, Parrish, Florida, 34219. Office hours are Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. For more information about this home or the community, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.